How do birds adapt to their environment?
Birds adapt to their environment in many ways, like developing specialized beaks and claws for eating specific foods, changing their coloration for camouflaging, or even migrating to avoid harsh weather.
Animal adaptations. When something that we are doing isn't working, we often do something different. This means that we change our behavior.
Download the Hello Wonder app today for more fun lessons on the go.